This is Valgrind and Sanitizer tool training. Um, it's put together mainly by Wusun and the UEG group. Um, Here's some introductory kind of stuff for what you should do for Zoom. If you could change your Zoom name to your given first name and then your given last name. Um, you can do this by clicking on participants and then more next to your name to rename in Zoom. This just gives us a better idea of who you are, so we aren't seeing usernames and stuff like that. The agenda, presentation slides, videos, and everything else will be available at the link below here on our website. This will all be available post as well. There's a Google Doc here instead of using the Zoom chat for Q&A and questions if you need. And that's at the tiny URL link there. And then at the end, if you want, there's a survey here. We'd love to get feedback and hear about what you guys think, what you think would be improved, what was difficult, which made the most sense, anything like that.
Mhm.
Um, so Valgrind and Sanitizer tools
Yeah, I
are
saw your email. Like it was like surprising to them that we. All right, everybody, please mute. Thank you. Go ahead, Justin.
Valgrind and Sanitizer tools are command line interface tools that are relatively simple to use for detecting various errors and doing other tasks. Um, Valgrind you can use for C, C++, and Fortran. The sanitizers are for C and C++. Today our objectives are going to be to learn how to use the Valgrind tools, to learn how to use Valgrind for HPC with MPI applications that aggravate the Valgrind output across different apps. We're going to learn how to use the LLVM sanitizers to detect memory errors and thread race conditions. And then we're going to also learn how to use the Cray-based sanitizers for HPC, which does that with MPI applications where it aggregates the output. The example codes are up here on GitHub. You can clone them down using GitHub's tools or using Git. Perlmutter CPU and GPU nodes are reserved for today's tutorial from the time listed below there. That's in PST. And if you want to use allocation, make sure that you're using the ntrain3 account and then the reservation debug underscore GPU or debug underscore CPU. If the reserved nodes are taken, you can use your own project account or submit a non-interactive batch job. As always, we want to go over our nurse code of conduct. We are bound by this and we want to make sure that everybody follows along with it. The core concepts of this are team service, or excuse me, team science, service, trust, innovation, and respect. We agree to work together professionally and productively towards our shared goals while respecting each other's differences and ideas. And we should all feel free to speak up to maintain this environment and remember that there are resources available to report any types of violations and to foster an inclusive and collaborative environment. If you have any concerns, please email nursetraining@lbl.gov. If you want to see a copy of this, it's available on our website. You can either go directly to the link or search for the code of conduct. Thank you very much.